whom I feel I have not interacted before, Shubhajit Roy. Uh, so,
Yes,
Shubhajit,
ma'am.
can you
Good
hear me?
evening. Yes, ma'am. I can hear you. Good
Good
evening.
evening. Can you? Okay, good evening. Can you please turn your video on?
Ma'am, if I turn my
Can you
video on,
please
then
turn your
my
video?
I will have network issues.
Is it
Ma'am,
like
definitely.
that?
Because right now also, yes, ma'am. Right now also, your voice is like very low for me. I can't hear properly.
Okay. Okay. Acha, Shubhajit, can you please tell me something about yourself?
Yes, ma'am. I have just passed 12th and I have joined BBA in entrepreneurship from ILIT College. I live in Calcutta
Mhm.
only. And
Okay.
yes, I joined this class because I thought that it would be a good communication practice. Plus, Vishal sir does many kind of live projects which are also helpful. So that is it
Okay.
about me.
Okay. What are the major lessons that this COVID period has taught you?
One major lesson it has taught me is that we must use our time very fruitfully. Because when the COVID started, I did not use my time very fruitfully. I downloaded Netflix and all the time I used to watch that. I just wasted time. But after a while, I got bored of that and I started doing many different kind of courses. And I believe that over this COVID period, I have learned a lot, and it has given me the lesson of always utilizing the time properly because we have very limited time.
Okay. So, is it only about productive utilization of time that COVID has taught you, or has it got anything else to do with human values?
Yes, ma'am. One more thing is that right now, due to the COVID situation, we are in home more, so we are interacting with our parents and our family more. So it is very important, I believe, because when there was no COVID, like all the time I used to be busy with my school, then I had tuitions, and I got very little time to interact with my parents. So right now, I think it has made me more closer to my family.
Okay. Shubhajit, tell me one thing, how important it is to make someone smile?
It is very important to make someone smile. It is like if you can make other people happy, then you yourself will be happy because it is infectious. If you can't be happy if you make other people sad. So you must always try to make other people happy, and in this way, you can also find your true happiness.
What is your last initiative to make someone happy?
Last initiative. So in the COVID period, as I was talking about, that I learned to do many things. One of them was cooking. So I cooked my grandmother some meal. This was the last thing that made her happy. It was a week back only.
Okay. How we can actually try to make one smile in our daily life with small practices, you think? What can be few of the uh, small practices?
So we can do many things. One thing is to, like, when we talk to them, we must also smile because smiling is contagious. So if we are smiling to the person we are talking to, then they will also smile back. We can gift them small things. We can, like, if they have the birthdays or something, we can give them a good like handmade card, and this will make them smile. We can also give, like, what to say, make jokes with them, and this can make them happy.
What makes you happy as a individual?
Many things make me happy, but above all, I like to do exercise. I like to work out, and this makes me the happiest. So every single day, either in the morning or in the afternoon, I do some kind of physical exercise. This makes me happy very much.
Do you know that what is the biological or what is the physiological explanation behind this happiness when you
Two
exercise?
two main hormones are released in our brain when we exercise. I don't remember exactly, but I think it was serotonin and
Serotonin and
something else.
oxytocin. Serotonin
Yeah,
and
yeah, yeah.
oxytocin. Yeah.
Yeah, so this hormone makes us temporarily happy, and it also gives us a sense of accomplishment. Like we have accomplished something during the day, and this can motivate us to further do our other work properly.
Okay. You exercise and that makes you happy in your daily schedule. That's a wonderful process of revitalization, okay, that you do for yourself. But we always feel happy and sad because of what others do to us. Do you agree?
To some extent, I agree, but like
Okay, okay.
if we
So
want to
we
be
we
truly
we we
happy,
remain happy and sad. It corresponds to what others do to us. We do react in order that, right? If
yes, sometimes we
others,
do.
yeah, of course. Yes, we do. Many a times we do. So what makes you happy if others do something for you?
There are many things that makes me happy if someone does something. Like a few days ago, my father bought me some books that were about entrepreneurship, and I really liked reading these books. And inside the book, he had a personalized message written for me, which I also
Mhm.
really loved. And this experience made me very happy for this entire week. So this small kind of gifts, if people give, and small messages they leave, this can make a person happy.
Okay, it was lovely talking to you, Shubhajit. May we talk very soon and may we talk very often. Take care, stay well. Just a humble suggestion to you is we all have very personalized opinion about many things in life, but when you can sense that a question is going to pop up from a window from which you are not very convinced with, please try to differ with due respect. Okay, you are overall very courteous in terms of your communication practices, but please make sure that it is always better to say yes, but don't you think, or I would like to differ on a note like with phrases like that, rather than saying no, I don't think it is doable. Did you get my point?
Yes, ma'am, I understand. I will try to implement them next
Yeah,
time.
that shows a better skill of negotiation and acceptance, which we really appreciate in terms of communicational practices. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Sure. I will try to implement this.
Yeah, thank you, and take care. Kushbu, can you please turn your video on?
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
I cannot see you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Kushbu. We talked yesterday also, right?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What did we talk about yesterday? What was the topic of yesterday's discussion?
Just, just ma'am. What is the things? What is the things going to be chosen if in India? What the changes may be choose in India? What would the changes?
Please,
What would like
please
to be
don't,
changed?
please
Yeah.
don't move here and there. You are answering like this, like we used to study in our childhood days. You
No,
are
ma'am.
answering like that. Yes, I can see that you are toggling. Please don't do that. Okay, sit straight and don't just toggle. Oh, you are again toggling.
Yes, ma'am.
What was the topic of yesterday's discussion? That was my question.
Yes, ma'am. What the things would changes in India?
Is it a correct sentence that you are saying? And
No,
please
ma'am.
remember that when you tahale, then state it with a simple and correct grammar.
Okay, ma'am.
And don't start the answer with yes, ma'am, okay, ma'am, yes, sir, okay, sir. Drop it. You don't have to tell that. Okay. Please answer that what was the topic of yesterday's discussion. So, how can you start your answer? You can start that the topic of yesterday's discussion was, we can start it like that.
Okay.
ऐसे बोल सकते हैं ना हम लोग. मैंने
Yes,
आपसे
ma'am.
क्या पूछा समझने की कोशिश कीजिए. मैंने आपसे क्या पूछा? व्हाट वाज द टॉपिक ऑफ यस्टरडेज डिस्कशन? कल जो डिस्कशन हुआ उसका टॉपिक क्या था? दैट वाज माय क्वेश्चन, राइट?
Topic that what change would you like to have in India?
What changes would you like to bring in India if you are given power?
Like to bring in India, like to have India.
What changes would you like to bring in India? Please understand the correct grammar, okay? What changes would you like to bring in India if you are given power? This was the topic of yesterday's discussion. Or
Okay.
the topic of yesterday's discussion was, what are the changes I would like to bring to India if I am given power? Now when you have tamed the speed and the fluency in communication, you will have to focus on the grammar side as well. Okay, please reply with small sentences and correct grammar. Please tell me that how important it is to make someone smiling in life.
I think I think compliment and smile. It's better option to make someone happy, make someone smile.
Acha, I would like to correct you once again. It is not a smile, it is smile. Say smile
Smile, smile,
again.
smile,
No, नो ई,
smile,
पहले पहले ई नहीं आएगा.
smile,
स्माइल, स्मा, बोलो.
smile, smile, smile,
ई नहीं रहेगा, ई नहीं रहेगा, बोलो स्माइल.
smile,
ई पहले
smile.
बोलो मेल.
Sorry, ma'am.
मेल मेल, ई एम ए आई एल,
Mail.
मेल. या नाउ से ई,
Mail.
नाउ से ईमेल.
Email,
और एक बार बोलो मेल.
mail, email,
वेरी गुड. स्माइल, ई स्माइल.
smile, e-smile,
ये अब ई जो बोल रहे हो ना, इसको ड्रॉप करना है. क्या बोलना है? स्माइल बोलो.
smile,
हाँ,
smile,
नहीं हुआ.
smile,
स्मा, ई
smile,
नहीं बोल. यस बोलो स्माइल.
smile.
वेरी गुड. जब भी ऐसा कुछ बोलना है ना, मैंने तुमको पहले भी बताया था कि स्कूल नहीं है, स्कूल है ना?
School, yes, ma'am. So,
यस. नो नो नो, शो, शो.
show,
ठीक है ना? हाँ, SHOW, शो. ओके. My question to
show.
you was, how important it is, सुनो क्वेश्चन को समझो. How important it is to make someone smile. मतलब किसी को मुस्कुराने का मौका देना जिंदगी में कितना जरूरी होता है. This is the question. And you answered that what are the things that can make someone smile. Questions are different. My question was, how important it is to make someone smile, and what are the
Okay.
things you can do for make someone, for making someone smile. Questions अलग है. किसी को मुस्कुराना कितना जरूरी है, और किसी को मुस्कुराने के लिए आप क्या क्या कर सकते हो. दोनों क्वेश्चंस एक है क्या?
No, different, ma'am.
हाँ, तो आपने उत्तर पहले वाला का नहीं देके दूसरा वाला का दिया, जो मैंने पूछा नहीं था.
Okay.
Okay, so now answer to my question. How important it is to make someone smile?
It is very important to make someone smile. It's very good to someone smile. Uh,
इसका मतलब क्या हुआ?
do
It's very good if someone smiles.
polite, be polite to someone to be smile
अब फिर
and
बोला
do help
smile,
someone to
smile, smile अब क्या? Smile,
smile.
smile,
Sorry, ma'am. Smile,
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 smile.
smile,
Yes, हाँ,
smile.
yes. जो सेंटेंस का मतलब नहीं होता है वो मत बोलो. इट इज वेरी गुड टू मेक वन स्माइल मतलब है क्या कोई स्टेटमेंट का? तुम खुद हंस रही हो।
इसमें बी पोलाइट टू समवन।
पोलाइट होने से क्या होगा? कोई मुस्कुराएगा?
मैम मैम मे बी
क्वेश्चन को समझो, हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इट इज टू मेक समवन स्माइल। किसी को
मैम गिव हिम टू अ गिफ्ट टू मेक मेक
you
स्माइल।
are again answering to the what part, Khushbu. You are not concentrating. In this way it will not work. No, please समझो। किसी को किसी को मुस्कुराने का मौका देना जिंदगी में कितना जरूरी होता है। I can see it from your face that you are not focusing today. It's not good. किसी को मुस्कुराने का मौका देना कितना जरूरी होता है, इसका उत्तर क्या हो सकता है? ये बहुत जरूरी होता है, बिकॉज जिंदगी में इतने सारे प्रॉब्लम्स रहते हैं हम लोगों के आसपास। एक छोटी सी जो मुस्कुराहट है, दैट कैन गिव अस स्ट्रेंथ। पीपल डोंट केयर मच फॉर अ स्माइल, सो द पीपल हु रियली केयर दे बिकम वेरी प्रेशियस, है ना? हमारे हंसी के लिए कौन केयर करता है?
कोई नहीं मैम।
कोई नहीं, यही जवाब है। किससे आप हंसो, किससे आप खिलो, किसको परवाह है? किसी को परवाह नहीं है क्या? नहीं है, सच में नहीं है।
नो
तो
नो
नहीं है, तो इसीलिए ये बहुत जरूरी है कि हम किसी और को मुस्कुराने के मौका दे किसी और को, ताकि हमें भी कभी मुस्कुराने का मौका मिल जाए। समझ में आया? आपका सोच तो यही है ना? उसके बाद मैं आपको पूछ, yes, that I could see from your face, but what are you saying is you can give somebody compliment देने से खुशी नहीं आता है हर वक्त, हंसी नहीं आता है। हंसी तब आता है जब किसी ने किसी का दिल को छू लेता है, तब हंसी आता है ना? You are in difficulty, I understand your pain and tell you, खुशबू my dear, everything is going to be fine, हिम्मत रखो, तुम मुस्कुराओगी, because I touched your heart, right?
Yes ma'am, give him strength.
Sorry?
To be, give him strength.
Yes, yes. So ये दूसरा सवाल का जवाब होता। क्वेश्चंस को समझो, ठीक है ना? वक्त लो, पर जल्दबाजी में गलत मत बोलो। जल्दबाजी में गलत मत बोलना, ठीक है ना?
Okay ma'am.
Now you tell me that what are the things that you can do to make someone smile? What are the things that you can do to make someone smile?
Ma'am, I can give him strength and better option to be smile. I could help someone.
To be smile बोल के कोई इंग्लिश नहीं होता है ना। to smile, to be smile का कोई मतलब
To
होता है
smile.
क्या?
Sorry ma'am, to smile.
When did you make someone smile in your life last time? Last time किसी को मुस्कुराने के लिए हेल्प किया था आपने?
Ma'am, every day.
Whom do you make smile?
Ma'am, my family members, I cook a meal for him or her, and they are very happy to take that meal.
Okay, so you can put it in this way that the people I live with, they are great foodies. They love to eat good food. So I cook for them every day, and that makes them smiling, and I also become happy with that smile. ठीक है ना? आपका ही आंसर मैंने बोला, पर छोटे छोटे सेंटेंसेस से। माई फैमिली मेंबर्स आर ग्रेट फूडीज, मतलब उन लोगों को खाने का बहुत शौक है। फूडीज उसको बोलते हैं जिन लोगों को खाने का शौक रहता है, ठीक है? तो टेल दैट माई फैमिली मेंबर्स आर ग्रेट फूडीज, आई cook for them every day good dishes, and that makes them smiling, and I also become happy with their smile. अंडरस्टूड? समझ में आया?
Yes.
हाँ, उत्तर देने से पहले सोच के देना। बार बार कह रही हूँ ये तुमको, ठीक है ना? ये जो प्रैक्टिस है तुम्हारा, यू हैव प्रोग्रेस अ लॉट, यू आर डूइंग बेटर देन बिफोर। बट अब क्या करना है, ये सब चीजों को, जो ग्रामर वगैरह है, इसको थोड़ा थोड़ा करके सही बनाना है, ठीक है? टेक केयर। हैप्पी विद द इंटरेक्शन?
Yes, ma'am. Very happy.
Okay, I am also happy seeing you happy. Okay, so Yuvraj, shall we talk now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you please turn your video on, beta?
Okay, ma'am. 1 minute.
How cold it is in Jamshedpur?
Hello.
Hello. How cold it is in Jamshedpur?
Actually, ma'am, actually, I am Jamshedpur.
Sorry?
Ma'am, Jamshedpur.
Yeah, you live in Jamshedpur now?
No, ma'am.
Where are you from then?
I am from Bihar, Rohtas.
Okay, how cold it is there in Bihar? Yuvraj, you can turn your video off
Ma'am,
because
it
I
is
am
not.
having issues in hearing. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Can you
Ma'am,
hear me now?
ma'am, actually, it is not.
It's not
Normal.
cold?
No, ma'am, normal cold.
Okay, normal cold. Okay.
But,
Okay.
ma'am,
In morning it is very cold. Okay, okay, I understood. Acha, Yuvraj, tell me one thing. Uh, how important it is, how important it is to make someone smile.
morning it is too cold. Ma'am, making someone smile is not important, but smiling is very important. So, ma'am, as I think, ma'am, if we smile, then our mind, we feel like, yes, like we feel positive by smiling.
It is not
So, ma'am, it is
important to make someone feeling positive.
no, ma'am, it is important, but ma'am, smiling is more important than
You are smiling, but you are not helping others to smile.
smile.
Is it a good thought, you think?
No, ma'am. Actually, I want to say you that if I am not smiling and if someone ask me that go and smile him, say him to smile, then I will be very upset that he is not saying me, he is saying anyone else.
What are the
So I
things that
want to
you
say
do?
this.
What are the things that you do to keep yourself smiling?
Ma'am, for me, uh, just I enjoy my day. If I am very pressured, like I have today very homework, then I I do my all homeworks, and after that I ask to my parents that today, so I just listen music in phone. So and by this I feel smile.
Would you not like to make your parents smiling with your small efforts?
Yes, ma'am, definitely. I also try it.
How did you try?
Ma'am, I am trying by I I am doing my all homeworks, and by this, ma'am, my parents are definitely proud on me. So, ma'am, by this, I am trying to smile them.
Okay, good that you are trying. If you are given power, would you like to try to make a lot many more people smile with your efforts?
Yes, ma'am, definitely I will try this because, ma'am, smiling is very good, ma'am. Than money, because someone will think that I will provide people money, or I will means I will generate a lot of money for me. So I think smiling is more important. So I will
Good.
do this.
ओके बेटा, एक छोटा सा सजेशन है. आपने एक बार बात के अंदर बोला स्माइलिंग इज वेरी गुड. ओके, ये गुड के जगह अगर आप इम्पोर्टेंट वर्ड यूज करते हैं तो ये बेटर कम्युनिकेट करता है. ठीक है ना? जो हमें बोला कि आपने जो बोला कि स्माइलिंग इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन मेकिंग मनी, तो ये इम्पोर्टेंट शब्द का एक अर्थ रहता है. एंड गुड इज अ नाइस वर्ड बट इट इज not that way prudent to that communication. समझे?
Yes, ma'am, I understood.
Yeah, important is a better word. Important is a better word. Yuvraj, we often try a lot to earn money, and we think that money can actually buy happiness for us. But is it true that money can really bring a smile on somebody's face?
Yes, ma'am, on kids' face it can definitely buy smile or happiness.
Okay.
And for uh, for 18 years old students, it may be, but it is not important. Money is not important.
Okay, I understand. Veena, do you have somebody else left for the session to get it to? Then, shall we talk to him?
Chirag Jain.
Yeah. Chirag, hello. Chirag, am I audible to you? Chirag. Chirag. Veena, I think he is not here. Veena?
Yes, ma'am. He's not responding.
He's not responding actually. Yeah. I called out his name quite a few times.
Hello, Chirag. I think he's having some network issue. That's why.
Yeah. So shall we wrap up the session here?
Okay, we'll continue, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, for my session only I asked. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.